Hey folks, the Desert Artist here. We are I just got done digging in a vein up here, and I wanted to show you guys what I've done today. I'll show you kind of what it's like digging in a vein, finding little slabs of turquoise. Maybe, I don't know, I haven't broke them open yet. Okay, so here I am. This is one of my digs here. And what I do is I follow this vein through the basalt, right? And if you look right there, there's a piece right there stuck to the rock. See it? Okay, so it comes out in between that rock, and I gotta follow that vein all the way down to where the color ends. And it probably goes over that way. I haven't got that far yet. I just found these two little rocks that were in the road. They look like garbage though, but we'll check them out, right? 'Cause we're here, and so let's nothing, garbage. Let's see what that one is. Garbage. All right. See, there's another one right there. See? Right on that bedrock. Garbage. Yep. I don't know, there's a vein right there. Maybe that was another one I was digging. We'll get on that one tomorrow. I'm kind of whooped for the day. I got about 70 pounds. I could barely carry the shirt that I had full of ore. So, just so you guys know, this is what I'm doing. Always on the lookout. You know, all it takes is walking by one vein and never see it again. Well, folks, Desert Artist, I'm out of here.